Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to resolve Google Drive not showing up in Quick Access in File Explorer. Well, as you can see, this right here is the application for Google Drive for desktop. And right now, let's simply go to Settings. At the top right of this tab, you will see a gear-like icon that is Settings. Simply click on it. And from here, let's again go to Preferences. Once you're in the Preferences section, what you need to do is simply click on Settings once again. At the top right here is a gear-like icon, simply click on it. And from here, once you're in the Settings page, well, as you can see, there are lots of options available here like Cache settings, folders, Google Drive streaming locations and everything. And right here, you can see something like Show Google Drive in Quick Access in File Explorer. Well, it's up to you. Simply enable this checkbox, and guys, that's it. That way you can view the Google Drive in Quick Access in File Explorer. Once everything's done, simply hit on Done. And guys, that is it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.